We chose the Helix name because innovation is in our genes. We decided to produce Helix because I really wanted to fundamentally change our product strategy in this business. I wanted dramatic change, not just incremental improvement, and I really wanted to come up with something that was totally innovative for our customers.
To learn about what that Wayne DNA was, we spoke to customers all over the world to find out what their needs were. And that has made its way into the final design. The Helix family shares a common look and feel, an iconic look we feel, that's made up of a few very important design elements.
The Helix design concept was the one we chose to go with because it struck the perfect balance between innovative new looks, usability, robustness, and really a fit with the needs of customers in the 21st century.
Customers told us that they wanted to keep the forecourt open. That was for a number of security reasons, but also to make the using of the product easier. So the design of the product, the shape of the product is one of the key design elements. Hoses and nozzles tend to be a little bit more dirty, and customers don't like to use them until they have to. So we've designed the product so that we keep the hoses away from the user interface, and we also make sure that they're in a dark zone. Alternately, the user interface is presented in a very bright U-frame and presented towards the customer so that they know exactly where to interact with the dispenser.
Helix will be a success in North America because we listened. We listened to hundreds of people that use gas dispensers every day. We listened to the manufacturers that make our components to find out how they get the best cost and the best quality on a consistent basis. And we listened to our employees who actually assemble and test this equipment. It was designed for manufacture, designed for assembly, with the customer in mind.
Helix nos vai dar mais a vantagem de trazer soluções globais para o nosso cliente, uma inovação estética bastante importante, oferecendo para os nossos clientes não só produto global, como também produto com moderno visual.
As we know, Helix makes great use of global parts in its structure, and with that comes the ability for us to do much more in terms of standardization around parts and also help us control some of our material costs.
Our customers are always looking for a fuel dispenser that delivers a better user experience. They're also looking for a product that is leading edge in terms of technology, that delivers increasingly greater fuel efficiency for them on their retail site.
As we introduce new technologies into Helix, at the same time a retailer in Rio can get it, at the same time the retailer in Germany, at the same time a retailer in Dubai can get it. That's what's cool. We're not going to have to wait for another version of software to come or another version of technology for a legacy product. Once we introduce it to Helix, we're going to be introducing it to every retailer around the world.
From Africa to China, from Middle East to Mexico, customers want the same thing. And it's better technology, better flow rate, better ergonomics. Helix provides that.
Our customers are always looking for a product that is safe and easy to use, that has at its core the design considerations around the environmental impact, both in terms of the production and the legacy dealing with that fuel pump.
I'm very confident with my staff with regard to Project Helix.
This is an investment that's been made in the future of everything that we build and ship to our customers.
The marketing team's been fully engaged now for many months, and the global accounts team has shown Helix to major customers, and they're ready to take orders.
They have executed and delivered so superbly well over the last 2 to 3 years in terms of the design and the development.
It'll set a new standard in the industry, and it'll make working at Wayne fun and a success.
Wayne sells products into over 145 countries around the world, and that wouldn't be possible without the tireless support of all the Wayne staff in those locations.
Clearly I'm biased, but I think we have the best team in the industry. and we have the very best talent in Wayne working on Project Helix. So I have no doubt that Helix is going to be an amazing success over the years to come.